I met Dr. Harrell through a friend, and she was pleased, and so I chose him because I was in search of a good dentist. He did an exam, advised me from what we could see, and then the process began of x-rays and follow-ups, and then going to the first procedure, which was surgery, and I went to sleep. And when he got in there to do the crowns, he kept going and going, and there wasn't enough tooth left because of gum disease and then bone deterioration. We finally had to go with total implants, top and bottom. These are all implants. All of these, top and bottom.
So in Carol's case, this wasn't just a cosmetic decision. Her natural teeth were failing. They really weren't serving her functionally anymore. And she asked us to come up with a solution that would provide her nice aesthetics and nice function for the rest of her life. So in Carol's case, we did a double all-on-4, upper and lower all-on-4, which is basically a series of 4 or 5 implants, top, same on the bottom, and then a full arch prosthetic that's permanently screwed in place.
Your hygiene of your mouth has a lot to do with good health too. I mean, it is so, like my cardiologist said, it's so connected to your heart. So I thought that was worth it too.
So one of the things that's important for a patient like Carol is that they are living with teeth that have been repaired and repaired and repaired so many times over the years, and the impact of the oral infection, it can have a lot of impacts on the other body systems. So we see cascading effects on the cardiovascular system, on circulatory system, on digestive system, many things that are really important to your overall well-being and health as we progress in life.
Oh, the sedation dentistry was wonderful. It really was. The one thing in my life I hated was the dentist. That's why my teeth went as far sometimes, like, you know, cavities would go, because I was terrified of the dentist office. I was treated spoiled, rotten, and that's the truth. The whole staff, they were all so good to me, and Dr. Harrell was so good. I can't say enough. In fact, it sounds like a paid endorsement because I just rave about them to everyone. They were really so good to me. And of course, I could joke with them. You know, I vaguely have a sense of humor, and I could joke with them and all. And so we had a really good time. So
compared to the beginning, when we first started treating Carol, this new smile, we really feel like as a team has made her look 15 years younger.
What changes is you have a lot more confidence. If I had the guts to get the facelift to go with it, I'd be great.